This is Harish,
Darshini.
back with another episode of Creative Quarantine Challenge. And in today's episode, we are going to explore on the theme Communicate with Fun. But I'm having a question. We all know how to communicate, so why we need to have this episode?
Communication is the most important skill, and you can always get better at it. During this lockdown with family, you can get even more better at it. And here we have the activities which will help you get even more better.
Yes. So can we get started with the activities?
Harish, I have an activity for you. The activity 1, stand up for fillers.
What is
We people generally use fillers when we talk. So I have a task where you have to talk on a topic without using fillers. So are you ready for it?
I guess so. We can get started.
Okay, so maybe I can give you a topic of coronavirus. Go for it.
Okay. So we all know the COVID-19 started from Wuhan in China.
Harish,
And-
sorry
Yes.
to interrupt. You've used fillers.
I never knew. Did I use a filler?
Yes, you did. We never know where we use fillers. So try talking without filler and send a video to us with 30 seconds.
Can we get to activity 2?
Yes.
Okay. Activity 2 is called Hear and Draw. And here I've designed a picture and you're going to draw it, but I'm not going to tell the exact name of the picture. I'm just going to tell you the elements of it and then you will draw it. So maybe I can tell you the shapes, maybe color or what lines it is, and then you need to complete it. Can we get started?
Yes.
Yes. So I've taken this picture now, which you are seeing on the screen. Yes. So can you draw a oval shape? Maybe like a small triangle on both the sides. Triangle goes straight. Okay, I'm not seeing this. I'll just see it at the end. It'll also be a surprise for me. Okay, I think I'm done. Maybe you can.
Where does this look like that?
So audience, you can see this picture if you can see it, or we'll zoom and show it. I know my instruction was bad, so I was telling you this picture.
Oh my god, this and that never matches, Harish.
Okay, so I know I need to get better at it. So this is a fun activity. You can pick an object and then you can tell them the instructions. It's very important to communicate the right element for the other partner to get it right. So
And don't forget to send us the image once you draw with the clues.
yes, so even you can record a video while this is happening. You can do it in a 2 minutes timing, and then you can shoot a video and then send it back to us.
Are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
So that is called the guessing game.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna imagine an object from a particular place inside the house. And I'm gonna tell you where it is from.
Okay.
And you will have 5 chances to ask questions. 5 questions to me.
Okay.
And I will say yes or no. You have to guess the object.
So the question should be close-ended. That means the
Exactly.
answer should be yes or no.
Exactly.
Okay. Fine.
So, shall we start?
Yes.
And it's from the kitchen.
It's from the kitchen. Okay.
Yes.
Does it require electric supply?
Yes.
Okay. Done with one question. And does it helps to grind items?
No.
Will it be like a rectangular shape? I mean like a box shape kind of thing?
Yes.
Okay, then I've guessed one. So it's 5 questions are done. So is it microwave oven?
Yes, it is.
Yes. So I think I've got it right. So I think you can also pick up an object and play among your family, and then can send a photo or a video of which object you have done, and importantly, what are those 5 questions. Activity 4 is one word letters.
Okay.
In this activity, we are going to play as a pair, and we are having one sheet of paper, and we are together going to write one letter. Yes, and in this activity, one important twist is we are going to add the word one by one. So I'll be writing the first word, then you'll be doing the second word, and then I'll be third, and then this will continue. Okay. So one important rule is you're not going to read back the entire para that is written before. You can only read the last word.
Okay.
Yes. So can we get started?
Yes.
Okay.
Likewise, you write your letter along with a family member or your friend and send it to us through the WhatsApp number. Harish, are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
Okay, it is the popcorn storytelling.
Okay.
Okay, so imagine we are 4 or 5 of us in a group and we are sitting together, and I give you a clue to start off with the storyline.
Okay.
And you add a point to it, and the next person adds one, and the next person adds one,
Okay.
and it goes on. And ultimately,
And
we
we'll
have
get
a cooked up
story.
story.
Okay.
So shall
can
we
you-
start one?
Yeah.
Harish, let me start with one. I walked into my room and I found a mysterious box inside.
Okay. I was not sure whether I need to open it or not.
I came down to my mother and asked her, who put it in?
She had no clue of how it came into my room.
But the box was very colorful, packed neatly with a nice ribbon on it.
And it created a lot of temptation for me to open it. And finally,
I tried opening it and
and there was, and again, a small mystery box inside it.
so it goes on, right?
Yes.
Exactly. So why don't you try your story, record it and send it to us?
Yes, it will be a lot of fun when you do it along with your family members. Can we get to activity 6?
Yes.
Our last activity for today, and that's called pen down the instructions. So in this task, Darshini, you're going to give me a set of instructions of doing something which I don't know.
Okay.
So I literally follow your step-by-step procedure,
Okay.
and then I'll do it.
Okay.
Yes? So are you ready to write down the instructions?
Yes. So
Make sure you write it very clearly for me to understand. Okay?
done.
Yes. So can you get started? And it's also very important to develop this skill of writing instructions.
So here it is.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to follow it. So
I can get hold of this.
yes. So the first is take a sheet of paper. I have taken it and cut it into proper square. So to cut it into proper square, yes, there is a technique to do it. So I can't cut, I can only tear.
Yeah.
So I have made the square sheet of paper. Make 2 diagonal folds on the paper. Make 2 diagonal folds on the paper. Okay, I think this is going to be some origami. So till step 2, this is fine. Make triangles from the midpoint by tucking in the sides. Make triangle from the midpoint by tucking in the sides. Okay. So I'm trying like this. So triangle from the midpoint. So I'm going to tuck in all the.
No.
Wait, I'll get it done. So
See, it's given tucking in 2 sides.
no, wait.
See, it's given tucking in 2 sides and you haven't read it properly.
So yeah, this is what. Okay, so this activity is a lot of fun. So you can give them some, maybe make a sandwich, and then you can give them some recipe instructions or something like this, or anything that you'd like your partner to do it, and ask them to follow literally. Okay. So what is your learning from this?
I should have instructed even more little clearly on
Yes.
this folding.
Okay.
It's here.
Oh, it's here. Okay. So you wanted me to do this one.
Yeah,
but I ended up doing this.
The activities are listed down in the activity document, and you can download them from the link in the description box below.
Yes. And if you're watching this video for the first time and if you want to participate in this, send I'm ready to this WhatsApp number. We will send you a unique challenge ID using which you can send in your entries of all our previous episodes. And for every entry, you will get a points which will help you to get into the leaderboard, and there are some amazing rewards waiting. Do not miss any updates. Please subscribe to this channel. Also share this to your friends and families. And we're looking forward to meet you all in the next episode. Till then, this is Harish
Darshini signing off.
from Creative Quarantine
Quarantine
Challenge. Bye.